Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're solving some equations with the HP prime calculator. Okay, so let's solve this. We're going to graph them, and this is an easy equation to solve without a calculator, but we're just going to practice with the calculator because sometimes it's going to be a much more difficult equation. Let's go to apps, and we need to go to function, okay? Just regular function, not advanced graphing. And we'll type in the left-hand side in F1 and the right-hand side in F2. So let me go ahead and clear that. Enter. So we got, I'll make this as a fraction, but in 3 divided by, oops, no, doesn't work. 3, can we click on the fraction button? Oh, there we go, 3 divided by, and put 2 in the bottom. The numerator, I'll put in an x plus 4. And on the other side of the equation, we got just 15, so that's going to be a horizontal line. And if you want this exact window, you can graph it and then, pinch with your hands and stuff. But if you want the exact window, it's probably easier to go to Shift Plot, and you can actually just type in -10, 30 for the range of the x values, and for the y's we have -10, 20. Okay, and now when we go to plot, we'll get exactly the same window as we see here on paper. Okay, so we're going to sketch the graph now. Go across the horizontal line at y equals 15, and then another line that goes up here like that. It's only a sketch, it doesn't need to be accurate when you're solving by graphing. And we need to find that point of intersection right there. And we need to get it exactly, so we'll go to Menu, Function, Intersections, number 5. And just click on Enter, okay, and it finds the intersection between the two of them. So that's 8.6 recurring, and 15 is the point. Okay, but remember this equation only has m in it, so the solution to the equation is m equals 8.6 recurring. Okay, now this one is some simultaneous equations, which you could solve by graphing, but the easier way to do it is to get them both set up like this first. X, y equals constant. X, y equals constant. Then we can solve on the calculator using what we call linear solver. Okay, so it looks just like we have it set up here. Just type in the coefficients. So we have, don't forget this is a -7, don't forget the negative. This is a 9 over here. -2, -4, and -8. Don't forget to press enter. And it gives you the answer right down here as a decimal. Okay, you can change it to a fraction, I believe, by clicking the fraction button right here. So it flicks back and forth between a decimal and a fraction. So the x is 46 over 13, and the y is 3 over 13.